In today's video, I will show you how to blur specific part of video in CapCut on PC. Open CapCut and open your project. Head to the import section and choose video you want to edit. Drag imported video from media library onto timeline at the bottom of screen. Navigate to Effects tab and find Blur Effect. Select Blur Effect and drag it onto your video. Adjust blur intensity using the provided slider. Go to the Media tab on the left top and drag the same video onto new timeline. From the Video tab on the right side, open Mask tool and choose Mask tool that suits your video. Position Mask tool on the part of video you want to blur. Stretch the corners if needed. Go back to Mask tool and apply reverse function. Now preview video to observe the seamless blurring effect. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video.